Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the problem. Power down and unplug your computer, then remove all external keyboards and USB devices so you rule out conflicts. Once done, connect an external keyboard or open the on-screen keyboard to see if random key presses persist. This tells you whether it's hardware versus software. Make sure to inspect the affected keyboard for visible debris or liquid residue, and note any recent driver updates or apps installed that could trigger stray input. You now perform hands-on fixes. Carefully remove keycaps only if your model allows, then blow compressed air to dislodge debris and clean around switches with 70% plus isopropyl. Once clean, power off and, if it's a laptop, disconnect and reseat the keyboard ribbon cable to eliminate a loose connection. Next, boot into safe mode or a live USB environment to determine if the issue continues. If not, remove or reinstall keyboard drivers, because software conflicts often mimic hardware. You finish by reassembling the keyboard and powering on to test. If randomness remains, update or roll back the keyboard driver in Device Manager, and check for firmware updates from the manufacturer. Those fixes address ghosting caused by software or firmware bugs. If the problem persists after hardware reseating and software fixes, plan a factory reset or replace the keyboard module, laptop or external. One key troubleshooting tip. Keep a USB external keyboard on hand so you can work immediately while arranging repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.